Hi folks. This week we're working on Unit 1, Lab 3, Modern Art with Polygons. On Monday, the work we did was basically page 1 of this lab. There is some vocabulary here. Again, I will give you notes eventually about that. We played around with scripts like this. It also actually gives you this thing called visible stepping, which you might want to explore. This thing here, if you want to know what your code is doing and when, this kind of highlights the steps of the code. If you like, there's this if there is time and take it further. These are ways for you to advance further in your programming skills and earn some extra credit. All right, but today we're moving on to page 2. On this page, we're going to figure out how to draw these asterisks. Yesterday, when we're trying to draw an equilateral triangle, you may have to figure out that 60 degrees makes a hexagon, not a triangle, and a triangle actually uses 120 degrees. On the classroom page, I ask a question about this, why does a triangle use 120 and a hexagon uses 60? All right, let's get started on step 1. Click here to load a starter project and save it to your Snap account. So remember that the cloud has to be filled in to be logged in. If it's not, log in. And now save. Save frequently. Okay, now I'm going to put my script side by side. All right, step 1 was to click here to load a starter project. Step 2, perform the 4 experiments A to D and read the comments attached to each one. As you do, talk with your partner about what you see and why it happens. Okay. Interesting. All right, let's do the second one. Kind of goes back and forth. Let's see here. I'm going to play around with this. I'll make this 1. Okay. What about this one? Okay, I noticed that the sprite direction is changing there. How many times must you run the script so to get the sprite to face the way it started? Well, twice, right? All right, and the last one. That's weird. All right. Step 3, experiment with the last script. Experiment with a quarter turn. All right, so down here in the last script, I'm going to change this to 90. Okay. And let's try just some different repetitions. 3, 4. What if I do 5? All right, so play around with that before you move on. B, experiment with a 1/10 of a turn. Turn 36 degrees. Interesting. What input must you give to repeat to get the sprite to finish facing the same way it started? I think what it means is like to finish the asterisk. And then step C, without trying it on the computer, figure out what turning angle to use for a 5-spoke asterisk. Make sure your partner agrees and then try the experiment. I'd like you to figure out B and C on your own. Okay, so these two questions, figure that out on your own. All right, step 5. At the top of the page, you're thinking about triangles. As a step in that direction, make a 3-spoke asterisk. Right, this is what they're asking for. They want you to make this 3-spoke asterisk. So figure out number 5 on your own. All right, so here's some information. A 360-degree turn is a full turn. Half of that is a half turn. A fourth of it is a quarter turn. You can program snap like this so that it does the division for you. All right, step 6. Try different negative input values for the move negative 100 steps block. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to make this a repeat 6 and a 60 degrees. What if I make this negative, let's see, negative 90? Ooh, what if I make it a negative 50, etc.? Oh, okay. This is now called a pinwheel. All right, so save your work now. And then you're going to click here to load a new starter project. Okay, so I'd save this again and then click here to load a starter project. And you got to log in again because it's a new window. Okay, now run script A in the file and experiment. Change the inputs in script A to draw an asterisk with 5 branches, 8 branches, 3 branches. Okay. So if I change this to 5 here, I'm going to also have to change this to 5 over there. See if it works. Oops, looks like I forgot to click pen down. So let's try that again. Okay. I need to do 8 branches. Okay. And 3 branches you can do on your own. Okay. Step B. Make a copy of the 3-branch script you built and choose duplicate. In the copy, remove the move negative 100 steps block. What does this new script do? Okay, so if I hover here and I right click, I can duplicate the script. I think they told me to make it with a 3, so I'm repeating 3 and I'm doing that 3. And I'm going to take out this and run this script. Oh, so that's actually a triangle. So what's going on here? This makes an asterisk, this makes a triangle. What's the difference and why? All right, now read step C and figure that out on your own. Okay, here's a little bit of information. And again, if there is time and take it further, are ways for you to advance in the class, get more information, and earn some extra credit. Have a good day.